everyone, I'm Hashini. Today I'm going to talk about Seljalandsfoss in Iceland. Seljalandsfoss, also known as Seljalands Waterfall, is a splendid waterfall that can be found in the southern Iceland. Seljalandsfoss, the Icelandic name of the waterfall, literally means "selling the land of waterfalls" in English. Seljalandsfoss is located in the south region in Iceland, right by Road 1 and the road that leads to Þórsmörk Road 249. The waterfall drops 60 meters. This powerful waterfall cascades into a pretty meadow, but is best known for the walking path that runs behind the curtain of water, where visitors can enjoy a truly unique viewpoint from this angel. It's the only known waterfall in the world that it's possible to walk behind. In Iceland, the calendar only consists of 2 seasons. It's winter and summer. In next video, we will share more details about this amazing Seljalandsfoss waterfall. Thank you for watching this video. Don't be late. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss new updates.